We're exploring Shi Shi Beach at Washington State's Olympic National Park, looking for a good spot to try some surfing.
One thing that makes the coastline here at Olympic so incredible are all of these rock formations, these giant sea stacks. They're beautiful to look at, but before we get in the water, we're gonna have to really make sure that we're surfing in an area that is void of large rocks like that that might be underneath the water's surface.
Surfing has become somewhat of a daily ritual for me. I go almost every morning back home in Southern California. There's just something about the moments of peace combined with short bursts of adrenaline that I absolutely love.
My favorite surf conditions in the world is when it's just like glassy ocean and just beautiful waves that have perfect direction. This is the complete opposite of that. It's chaos. There's no peace. There's no sitting on your board waiting for a wave.
I haven't surfed nearly as much as Jack, and in these conditions, I'll be happy to just catch a wave or two.
So this is kind of funny. This is a diving wetsuit. It's not for surfing normally, but it's the only wetsuit that I own that'll be thick enough to handle the frigid waters that we have out here in Olympic National Park. I think right now the water temperature is in the high 40s. That's cold. That's extremely cold.
Normally, you would paddle out beyond the break and wait for the waves to come in. But these waves are so strong and irregular that getting out there is impossible.
I'm too restricted in my wetsuit. This is frustrating.
What we can catch inside the break has no clear direction or consistency.
The waves are not good, and the current is incredibly strong.
I've been surfing for nearly a year, but you'd never know it.
Power of Mother Nature. It's like day one out here. Woo! Hard work.
We're getting absolutely pummeled here, but neither of us wants to leave until we catch at least one.
Yeah! There's one. There's one. I got my one ride, I'm good.
Was it a long ride? No. But in these conditions, any time up on the board feels like a win. For today, that's enough.
When you really boil it down, did you get up on a wave?
I got up on a wave or two.
You rode a wave at this coastline in Olympic National Park in these conditions.
Nature can teach us so many lessons about weathering the tough times and especially what a difference a day and a few miles can make. I hiked down to the beach the next morning and the conditions were night and day. So remember, if we can do it, so can you.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave any questions or comments that you have.
And please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to come.